Hi, welcome back to ATFX Trading on fundamental view for January 24th to 28th of January 2011 on EURUSD. So here we are looking at FX Trade economic calendar on January 24th. There is no news for US, but Euro has the major market moving economic data such as purchasing managing index and for Germany and European Monetary Union and industrial new orders for European Monetary Union. All the data are forecasted to be positive, which has the higher reading than the previous data, which also makes sense that Euro USD may hit 1.3800 as we have forecasted, or it may also breach the 1.3800 on touch trend line on Monday. So you can also see the technical video for inside view on it. So the next data for Euro lies on Wednesday, January 27, where we have CPI, Consumer Price Index for Germany, and Consumer Confidence Index for European Monetary Union. All this data, all the main data are being forecasted to be negative. This also makes sense that on Monday the Euro may touch Monday to Tuesday, the euro may touch this resistance and may start to fall back from Wednesday. On January 28th, we have European Monetary Union M3 money supply, which is the circulation of money into the system. That's all about euro. And now let's take a look into USD economic data. Where on US economic data on Tuesday, January 21st, we have Consumer Confidence Index. That is one of the main and market moving economic indicator. As well as on January 26th, we have new home sales and FOMC meeting announcement, which is interest rate. And on January 27th, we have durable goods orders and jobless claim, and we have GDP on Friday. It seems a very good week for US. Now let's take an inside view on all this economic data. And now let's take a look into Consumer Confidence Index. And now this is a survey of consumers' attitude. A higher than expected seems to be bullish, and above 50 is expected to be bullish. So it's forecasted to be bullish for US dollar. And now let's take a look into new home sales. A higher than the previous number is expected to be bullish. And now let's take into the Fed fund rates. They are yet to maintain the rates at 0.25 percentage, which is lower than ECB, European Central Bank, and higher than Japanese yen. So we can see a bullish of dollar in some currencies and bearish in some other pairs. Now let's take a look into durable good orders. This is also forecasted to be positive for US, and this is very interesting. And last time it dropped due to a civilian aircraft order, and now there's also a very good news. And BBC 19 January 2011, they have published an article that China to buy 200 Boeing aircrafts. The US has signed a deal of $45 billion to export deal with China when President Hu and Obama have met together. So this will also boost for the forthcoming months on durable goods. Next we can go ahead with jobless claim. Reduce in number is expected to be positive for US. So this seems to be negative. And GDP, that is also expected forecasted to be positive, which is higher than the previous one. In summarize, there are more number of positive data for US than Euro for the forthcoming week. So that's all about fundamental view. And now you can take a look into our blog for more information. And thank you for watching at ATFX Trading, and stay tuned for more videos.